Hello, and welcome back to another dish of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February the 16th, 2024, and this is one of my Ranunculus Corms coming back here. Now these are my seedlings that I had planted from seed last year. I have videos on my channel for how I start Ranunculus from seed. And what I actually did with these is I left them go dormant in their containers here, and I kept them in the greenhouse. And I started watering them probably about 2 weeks ago. And you can see these here are resprouting here. I have some other ones that were left in their containers. They started resprouting themselves. So I've heard quite a bit of people say that they just get rid of their Ranunculus Corms and they buy fresh ones every year. But mine are coming back, and I have ones that I had bought not last year, but the year before, and I did the same thing with them. I grew them. I have a video on my channel for how I took them out. Those I actually took out of the potting mix, and I left them dry, and then I stored them, and then I restarted them last year, and they grew very well for me. This here is the matchy mix here, and like I said, you don't have to throw your bulbs out every year. You can save them and replant them. It'll save you a lot of money, and providing you know that they got enough food and got a chance to recharge themselves from the sunlight, they should grow well for you the next year. Now I do have videos on my channel for how to start Ranunculus Corms, and like I said, I do have videos on my channel for how to start Ranunculus from seed. Now, some of these I'm still waiting for them to come up. This one here was the first one to come up, so I wanted to show you in this video here. Now, I am going to give this a little bit of water here. One of the things that you don't want to do with Ranunculus is you do not want to overwater them. And you do not want a very heavy soil. You want to keep them in a well-drained soil, and you can keep them a little on the drier side. You don't want them to wilt. But this one here, I'm just going to give it a little bit of water. Just going to gently give this some water here. I have it set to a shower here. There we go. And I'm going to let that go down through. I'm going to water the rest of these then. And wait for these here to sprout for me. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. Notifies I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and have a nice day. Bye!